Next, I will explain the red brushes. The red brushes are used to smooth and refine the surface of your mesh. By refining the raised areas created with the blue brushes, you can achieve your intended detail and finish. The first brush is the smooth brush. As mentioned in the previous chapter, you can switch to the smooth brush by holding Shift. However, if you want to change the brush strength, you need to select the smooth brush directly from the menu. Next is the flatten brush. To demonstrate how it works, I'll add some volume using the draw brush first. As the name suggests, the flatten brush evens out curved surfaces into flat planes. It can be paired with the layer brush from the blue brush group to easily create flat surfaces. Moving on, we have the fill brush. The word fill means to occupy or fill up. This brush is designed to fill in overlapping areas or dents between meshes. Next is the scrape brush. It behaves similarly to the flatten brush, but as the name implies, it scrapes and smooths the mesh surface while leveling it. The last of the red brushes is the multi-plane scrape brush. This brush adapts its behavior based on the angle of the surfaces on either side of the brush contact point. It can create ridge or valley-like effects. This brush is not used frequently as its application is somewhat limited, so I personally don't use it often.